Okay, exercise 9.1, question 14. A tablecloth has a length of 0.4 metres longer than its width. Step 1. Draw a diagram. Here is my tablecloth. It's rectangular. I know that it has a length of L and a width of W. When it says to me its length is 0.4 longer than its width, I could say that the length is equal to W plus 0.4. Or I could say that its width is equal to the length, take away 0.4. Question A says, write an equation for the area of the tablecloth in terms of length, if length is represented by the variable L. Well, we know that area equals length times width. And so area is equal to length times the width, which is L minus 0.4. L minus 0.4. And there you have an equation for the area of the tablecloth in terms of its length. Part B says, plot a graph of the area against the length. So yes, you need an axis. The length will be on the horizontal and the area on the vertical. Now, this equation really becomes L squared minus 0.4 L. This is a quadratic. You will get a nice parabola, or part of a parabola. In order to draw the graph, you need to create a table. So your table should have length and area. Choose some lengths. A length of 0, a length of 1, a length of 2, a length of 3, a length of 4. You can go on forever. So obviously, we have 0 times 0 minus 0.4. Well, that's definitely 0. And then we have 1 times 1 minus 0.4, which will be 0.6. Then we have 2 times 2 minus 0.4. And 2 minus 0.4 is going to be 1.6. And 2 lots of 1.6 is 3.2. And then we have 3 times 3 minus 0.4. And 3 minus 0.4 is going to be 2.6. And 3 lots of 2.6 is 7.2, etc. And you can finish that table off. But you definitely need a table in order to draw the graph. Part C says, use this graph to find the dimensions of the tablecloth if the area of the tablecloth is 3.2. So in order to do that, you need to have your graph, length, area, your graph, which you will do properly on graph paper. And if we're saying the area is 3.2, well, that's about there. You come to the graph and you come down here. Now you can work out whatever this length is from the graph. You will then substitute that length back into the equation that we know that the width is equal to length minus 0.4, and you can work out what the width is.